Hi everyone, my name is Iman Bailey. I am application engineer and I will present you Manta eFPGA product. I will explain why our design adaptive IP is the key solution to unlock next chip generation limitations. I will start by giving you an overview of Manta company, who we are and what are the eFPGA solutions we are providing. Manta is a private company founded in 2007 in France. The company delivers 100% third-party standard cells and embedded FPGA IPs for SoC, ASIC or ASSP designs. Manta is based in Sophia Antipolis, south of France. The company is backed by FG Development. We have several patents. We are 70 employees today and our sales network is all external. We have sales worldwide. In terms of customers, our early adopters are space and defense companies, such as the French DoD or Thales Alenia Space. But we also have customers with commercial high-volume applications, such as Chongqing Beijing Communication, doing 5G base station. Also, not mentioned in this slide, but we will see it after, we are providing eFPGA IP for the European Processor Initiative project, where the eFPGA will be integrated in both high-performance computing, HPC, and automotive chips. Manta eFPGA IP is 100% third-party standard cell based. This means there is really zero custom design in our eFPGA IP. So, we are technology independent and we can provide our IP in any technology node, and this in a very short time. Manta is qualified into several nodes from global foundries. We are also FD Accelerator partner. We have already tape-outed eFPGA IPs in several nodes: TSMC 28 HPC+, Global Foundries 12 LPP, STM 65 LP, and 130. We have also deliveries to customers in progress in TSMC N6, STM28 FDSOI, and recently XFAB 180. So it's all over the place, from large nodes like 180 up to very advanced like 6 nanometer. We have several partnerships in place. With Mentor Graphics, our customers can use Mentor Catapult to program the eFPGA in System C. We have also a strong partnership with security experts like SecureIC and Rambus. We offer common solution embedding cryptography features on Manta eFPGA reconfigurable logic. We have also partnerships with a RISC-V provider, Andes, and other significant collaborations like with Synopsys, IMEC, SureCore, Global Foundries. We are working on a large range of markets where the eFPGA is used. We have 4 vertical segments in place right now: aerospace and defense, IoT, IIoT, including smart sensors, automotive, networking servers, and data centers. The eFPGA IP has various applications on each of these verticals: artificial intelligence, machine learning that requires low power, low latency, and large number of MAC capability. Also cryptography, security, flexibility to improve time to market or reduce obsolescence and maintenance costs, etc. We provide to our customers an eFPGA IP which is design adaptive and fully standard cells based. This is key as it enables the market segment and applications we discussed. For aerospace and defense, we provide radiation-hardened IPs coupled to our innovative CDSP, ideal for signal processing. Also, our solution is targeted for IoT market segment, thanks to our tiny and low-power eFPGA product line. For automotive, Manta offers the only eFPGA IP that meets automotive requirements in terms of DFT, verification flow, and reliability. Then, regarding networking and HPC, we can deliver in short time eFPGA GDS2 IPs in the most advanced nodes such as 12, 10, 6, 5, or even 3 nanometer. So let's now have a look at some examples of eFPGA applications and use. Today, configurability is a must. Developing chips is expensive. In order to reduce cost and improve the time to market, we want to be able to reuse the same chip for various applications. You do not want to call back all your chip for each system update or upgrade. You need to be able to reconfigure your SoC over its lifetime. Manta eFPGA is optimized for general-purpose HPC and automotive applications. For example, image processing and data prefetching, where parallelization of data processing is required for increasing performance. The eFPGA becomes the hardware companion of the main CPU subsystem. It has the role of an hardware accelerator. It can perform task scheduling or data prefetching to filter and classify the big amount of data collected by the various sensors. But the main benefit of using Manta eFPGA IP is the possibility to set post-production functions. This is enabling complex functions, updates, or enhancement directly in the field. Also, with eFPGA, customer can enforce its security crypto features by reprogramming the IP according to the external parameters and final user. This is now a concrete example of Manta eFPGA IP usage in automotive systems. Here, our eFPGA IP is used to accelerate the face recognition application, which is running on a main processor. Within the European Processor Initiative project, Manta is closely working with BMW Innovation Group, Infineon, and Karlsruhe Institute of Technology to create the European processor. The chip integrates key innovative features enabled by Manta eFPGA IP. We are looking here to have an optimal composition at system level of the use of hardware and software co-design. In this context, compared to the traditional face recognition features implemented in mobile phones, for example, the eFPGA brings power consumption optimizations and lower error rates, better security embedded with data encapsulated inside the chip, inside the SoC. No need to transmit processed data from chip to chip at system level. The BMW Automotive Demonstrator platform embedding Manta eFPGA combined with Infineon Oryx processor will be tape-outed next year in 2021. Another example of Manta eFPGA utilization is for cryptographic systems. As mentioned previously, we have strong collaboration with top security experts. With Rambus, where we are offering a combined solution which is certified with Rambus Root of Trust and which is provided with Rambus cryptographic cores, supported and optimized within Manta eFPGA solution. This enables a series of use cases that could be reconfigured, like encrypting images, secure boot, key management, and key integrability. Then, we have also a strong collaboration with SecureIC Cybersecurity. We aim to simplify integration and enhance programmability of cryptographic security features in next-generation SoCs. In that way, we offer a common product, embedding specific SecureIC crypto arithmetic hardware blocks within Manta eFPGA matrix. Each customer could reconfigure its programmable logic functions and add confidential crypto functions post-tape-out. So, we provide to our customers a flexible solution to follow market security requirements over time. But we ensure, in addition, up to 20x factor performance increase versus traditional existing FPGA technology. This has also a direct impact on power consumption and cost of the system. Let's now have a look at Manta product offering and IP delivery flow. In terms of products, we have one IP which is fully scalable. We start at very tiny eFPGA with our small family, from 100 to 2000 logic cells. Here we count in terms of lookup table 4. This family product is targeted for microcontrollers, state machines, and I/O muxing, for example. Then, the medium and large families are more targeted for automotive security systems performing also AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning applications. Then, up to 200K logic cells, this is more for HPC and networking systems, performing acceleration and data packets processing applications. This table is only showing some examples of what we can do, but actually what we sell is the last column of the table, the Design Adaptive eFPGA IP. We offer the possibility to our customers to design the eFPGA IP that corresponds to their needs in terms of number of logic cells. In addition, we offer what we call Manta Adaptive DSP. We will soon publish a white paper on that DSP capability. Do not hesitate to contact us if you want to get a copy. We are also able to integrate third-party memories directly within the IP. The memories are automatically inferred. Also, the number of inputs and outputs of the eFPGA IP can be configured. Now, how can you work with us? The key stage is actually to define the eFPGA IP you want, the one that meets your application requirements, but also your silicon area, power and performances budgets. For this, there are various possibilities. The one that is often preferred by our customers is to use our free Origami Designer software. Origami Designer is delivered to you so that you can use it in your environment. It takes as an input any number of example RTL applications you want to map on Manta eFPGA IP. At the output, Origami Designer will automatically propose the best eFPGA IP parameters that fit your applications. You can work with the tool to optimize silicon area, performance, and power consumption. You are of course supported by a Manta FAE during all this process. Then, once the eFPGA IP is defined, the process is very straightforward. We generate the eFPGA IP RTL description and, based on a statement of work we agree on, we perform the physical implementation of the IP to deliver you the GTS tool. You also get our Origami Programmer tool with all the configuration files required to use your dedicated design adaptive Manta eFPGA IP. This process takes 1 to 6 months in any technology node. We have two softwares, Origami Programmer and Origami Designer. Regarding Origami Programmer, it is a state-of-the-art FPGA software going from RTL to Bitstream. It offers a graphical interface, and it is very friendly and easy to use. Now, regarding Origami Designer, it can be provided to our customer to help them define the optimized eFPGA IP they will specify for the class of applications. You all want to differentiate yourself from your competitors. That is exactly what our design adaptive eFPGA IP allows to do. Our design adaptive IP allows to use only the amount of silicon area which is required by choosing the right amount of lookup tables, DSP, etc. By using Origami Designer tool, everything can be configured. While GUI experts spend the time and energy making your life easy, Origami Programmer can also be used command line in Tcl. The tool can be also provided as an API to be integrated into customer software framework. Origami Programmer is enabling RTL to Bitstream flow generation. Customers can define timing in SDC format and can visualize resources, STA, and congestion maps with the possibility to move and reallocate graphically the eFPGA fabric resources. So, our solution is fully flexible in terms of the amount of required resources. We allow you to define your own eFPGA fabric based on lookup table 6, embedded memory blocks, DSPs, and embedded custom blocks. Manta eFPGA IP is not SRAM based but FLOPS based. This is enabling porting to any node easily. High reliability and our patented scan chain design for the test with a test coverage but also a fault coverage in excess of 99.7%. While the number of IOs is a parameter, the eFPGA IP can be plugged or connected to any type of interface or bus. Same is true for the configuration interface. The eFPGA IP is clock gated by default and several features to reduce power consumption are available. Okay, so this brings me to the conclusion. Thanks to Manta eFPGA IP, you can decrease risk and ensure design flexibility, in addition to security robustness. Next chip generation requirements are standing for more generic and customized SoCs. By integrating Manta eFPGA IP in your system, you make your system generic and you enable post-step-out reconfiguration of your functions. So, you can customize part of your system during product lifetime directly in the field. From a unique SoC, you can then derive different variants of designs, where each user could add its own and secret functions. That way, you unlock current semiconductor chip limitations with the aim to still control the future even if you do not know it. Security, bugs, prediction, and complexity are no more issues for next chip generation that will embed Manta eFPGA innovative solution. Alright, so thank you for listening, and do not hesitate to go to our website to have more information or to contact us. Thank you.